We carry anything from wood looks, tile looks. We're going to have different locking mechanisms that we carry, different thicknesses, different wear layers that all the floors have. But we carry a little bit of from A grade flooring to B grade flooring. You know, I got a demonstration. I can show you guys how to install the floor, different types of locks that will be used on that, and different tools needed to be used. Alright, so when installing a vinyl click, you're going to need just a few simple tools when installing. You're going to need a speed square for your straight edges, that way you make clean cuts at the walls. You're going to need a razor knife to make those clean cuts, and it's key to have a nice sharp blade in there. You're going to need your rubber mallet. So you're going to need your Z-bar, so this is going to be used for at the wall when you're trying to bring your floor together. You're going to take and hook the end of your floor on it, and you're going to smack this side with the rubber mount, and what that does is lock your last piece that you're putting in at your wall that you cannot get in with your hands. When you go to install a vinyl click, you will have a female on this end and this end, and a male on this end and that end, or vice versa, but the large tongue is going to be your male side or female side, and then the small tongue is going to be your male side. So is what you would do here. Say if I was at the wall there, I would leave my proper gap that I need here, just like this, showing, and this would be locked in here just like this. Actually working backwards here. Let me spin around here on this floor. So, you take and put it up on its angle like this, and down with it there. That piece is installed. You need to be at least 6 inches away on most of your manufacturers. Some require 8 inches. So that's where you just have to look in your instructions on those. This line here is going to get lined up with this one. You're going to slide it up until it bumps. You don't want to push too hard that direction. This is what's called a drop lock on this floor here. So you lock this end down and bring this end down and just tap it in. Now this is where you will use your rubber mallet and just tap it in. You don't have to beat it in real hard. You don't have to force it. It's very simple. Then you come back, like I said, just for instance, you don't have to use this. This shows you cannot get any closer than right here if it was going off a 6 inch. We'll say 8. So we're going to go back and come all the way back into here. And lock it down. Oh. See, and then that gives us at least 9.5 inches. So you're good. You don't have to worry about your warranty being, you know, or invalid because you put your gaps too close. And then you just keep moving down. And that would be how you install a drop lock. Put a speed square on it. Now sometimes you're going to run into where there's planks longer than, you know, the 7 inches of your speed square. If you get 8 inch, you'll cut one direction and then cut the other. You just use that as a line marker. That way you have nice clean cuts. That way you can keep everything straight to the wall. You just pop it is all you got to do for your cuts.
Awesome.
The big plus with a vinyl click is it is 100% waterproof, so you don't have to worry about on your seams, if you lock them correctly, any water damaging the floor, is where on a laminate you would need to be drying this up really fast.